us. Yes. Silver color, exactly. Dark green color. Dark pink color, stay with us. Yes. Persian blue color. Light pink color. And the next one is brown color. Yellow color. Orange color. Black color. Kids, the next one is sky blue color. Blue color. Light green color, stay with us. Red color. Red color. And the last one is white color. White color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of light green, writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A. Now we're writing the alphabet of B. The next one is C. Now we're writing the alphabet of D. D for dog. The next one is E. Stay with us. E for egg. F. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of H. So kids, now we're using the color of brown, writing the alphabet of I. I for eyes. J. K. The next one is L. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. Now we're writing the alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. And now we're using the color of blue, writing now numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, the next one is 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. 7, 8. The next one is 9. 10. T-E-N. Coral red color. Kids, the next one is pale pink color. The next one is raw silk color. Now we open the color of vivid green color. The next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. Emerald green color. Pastel pink color. The next one is lavender color. Kids, now we open the color of warm gray. And the next one is pale blue light color. Persian blue color. Persian blue color. And the last one is black color. Stay with us. We'll be writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now we open O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. Lavender color, and writing the alphabet of yes, A. The next one is yes, B, C. Now we draw the alphabet of D, and the next one is E. Exactly. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for gorilla. So kids, now we are using the color of coral red color and writing the alphabet of yes, H. The next one is I. J, K, L, M for moon, N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Cool gray color. O for octopus. P. The next one is Q. Now we draw the alphabet of R. S. The next one is T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Pastel pink color. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The next one is I, J, K, L, L. The next one is M, O, P, Q, Q, R. Kids, now we open colors. Light green color. The next one is brown color. Brown color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. The next one is dark pink color. Yes. Silver color. Silver color. Orange color. Orange color. Yes. Light pink color. The next one is blue color. Blue color. Stay with us. yellow color, Persian blue color, red color, white color. Stay with us. Yes, black color. And the last one is dark green color. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. First we're using the color of orange, and now we're writing capital letter alphabets of yes, A. Kids, the next one is yes, B. Now we draw the alphabet of yes, C. C for cow. Now we draw the alphabet of D. The next one is E. F. F for fish, F for fan. So kids, now we're using the color of black, so dark. Now we draw the alphabet of G. G for God. And the next one is yes, H. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. The next one is K. Now we draw the alphabet of L. L for lemon. Now we draw the alphabet of M. Now we are using the color of dark pink color. Dark pink color, M. M for moon. M for mango. N. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw the alphabet of P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. The last one is yes, baby blue color, mint blue color, yellow color, light violet color. The next one is yellow green color, rose big color, geranium color, cream color, vivid purple color, deep olive green color, forest green color, and the last one is scarlet color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. The next one is F, exactly. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Kids, now we're using the color of mint blue. H for hand. I. The next one is J, exactly. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. Now we're using the color of yellow. O for orange. The next one is P. Q for queen. The next one is R for rose, R for rice. S. The next one is T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. The next one is V for van, exactly. W. Now we're writing the alphabet of X. The next one is Y. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Persian blue color. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. The next one is H. I. J. K. Stay with us. L. M. N. The next one is O. Now we're writing the alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R. S. T. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. W for watch. X. Y. Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.